Hey guys, it's me Aditya and I'm back again with a new video, and this time I bring the Bose frames. Yeah, you heard me alright. That's the Bose frames. Alright, are you guys excited to open it up? Trust me, I am. So these are called the Alto style ones. There's also another style which is meant for females, and this is meant for male. You guys can change if you like the other ones. Alright, let's get it rolling. Alright, let me take it out. I am more excited than you guys, trust me. Alright, so what you get in the box is this, just like a normal sunglasses, and it has a Bose label on it. Alright, let's open it up. It's a really good case, and those are your glasses. Let me just take them out softly. Alright, so standard sunglasses, and yeah, they are UV protected as well. And alright, so they haven't mentioned Bose name anywhere on the sunglasses, whereas this is a little bit thick edge at the bottom which has speakers on it. So yeah, that's about it. Let me just show you guys how they feel on your face. Alright, how does that look? Alright, so I'll teach you guys how to turn them on. There's a tiny button located here. As soon as I press that button, there is a light which is blinking, and you can hear it. I don't think so that you guys can hear it, but now it tells me to connect, and I guess it's connected to my phone. So the music started to play. I had to pause that, so they connect very easily, and the edge finish is also really good, and it gets aligned to your body really properly. Let me just talk specs now. So these glasses are fitted with the Bose speakers. Alright, you guys shouldn't be expecting a lot of bass from the sound, but they are really good, and it doesn't even bother the one person standing next to you. So supposedly if you're standing next to a person and you don't want to hear him or neglect him, just yeah, alright. So yeah, they are really good. I appreciate, and I'm a technology fan, and I really love changes in the technology. So this is really amazing, and I love it. And the sound quality, I won't say that it's like, you can't expect, see, you're not putting anything inside your ear which is creating a lot of bass and pressure. So these glasses do work fine, and I don't know how they are designed. The way the speaker is aligned, it really gives amazing sound without even bothering the person standing next to you. So I would just say, if you are in the market to buy those sunglasses, you better off get them, because they are on $100 off going on. They used to be $300, but you are getting them for $200 or $220 at JB Hi-Fi. If you guys have any other questions, just don't forget to ask me. And last but not the least, I forgot one other spec. So the last spec is, these also have inbuilt microphone. So these are not just the glasses, these are not just the earphones, but these are also fitted with microphone. What does that mean? Alright, you are there. If you get a call, you just receive it. Either you can tap it here, or you can say Siri, it'll pick it up for you. And if these are connected to you, the Bluetooth, you will get the call, and you can keep on talking without even disrupting anything else. People might think that you are dumb and you're talking to yourself, but if you want to use the new technology, it shouldn't bother you. You can use this at the gym, you can use it anywhere you want. These are really good, and I would highly recommend this new gadget. If you have any other questions, just feel free to question me. Alright, and typical standard box, there's nothing else apart from the charging cable. They have a little bit pouch, and that's the cable there. It just gets aligned on the edge inside here, just like that. It's a magnetic cable. and you charge it. They charge really quickly, but feel free to ask me anything, guys. Cheers.